Hello all of you, welcome back to the lecture session. We have already covered our two chapters and today we will start our chapter number 3, which is how much can you carry. See, when the anything you need to carry, so first of all what do you feel about it? ये कितना heavy है, ये कितना light है. These two terms will come in your mind while you are carrying any object, right? So from this we can easily find out the two terms, the heaviness of the object and the lightness of the object. And heaviness and lightness, these are the two terms related to the weight of the object. कोई भी object का weight होता है, right? So these two terms are related. Now, why we are learning about heaviness and lightness? Okay. Now, in this chapter, we will learn about the comparison of the object in terms of the heaviness and lightness. Fine. So, here which object is heavier, which object is lighter, which object is heaviest, and which object is lightest. Why we are using the two different terms? Fine. So, let me clear you first. When we are comparing the two objects for their weight, right? During that time we will find out this object is heavier or this object is lighter. But when we are comparing more than two objects for their weight, right? During that time we will find out the one object is the heaviest and another object is the lightest. So these are the difference between the heavier and lighter and heaviest and lightest. As I had discussed, this heaviness and the lightness, these are the two terms which are related to the weight of the object, and different object has different weight. So we can easily compare which object is heavy and which object is light. Now I am going to show you some of the example and you will tell me which object is heavy and which object is light. For example, this is a chalk, a little chalk, and a water bottle filled with water. So tell me which object is heavy. This object is heavier and this object is lighter. You can easily find out. आप weight को feel कर सकते हो. For example, now I am having these three objects, a chalk and a hanky and a water bottle. Now which object is the heaviest? This is the heaviest object. And this is the lightest object. Chalk is the lightest. सबसे कम वजन वाला होता है. Fine. So we are based on that. There is one story in your textbook that we will go through it, and there are some exercise in your workbook that I am going to solve it in front of you. See, these are some exercise and these are some story and activity based on the heaviness and lightness of the object. Okay, so we will move on to the textbook now. Now we will move on to the textbook. Open the page number 18 where you will find out one story, The Clever Donkey and His Heavy Sack. See, this is the story based on the weight, and weight is, we can connect the weight in terms of the heaviness and the lightness of the object. So, the story is Sandesh has a donkey. It carries sacks full of salt on its back. Okay, on the way to the market they have to cross a river. उनको एक river cross करना पड़ता था. And one day while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. वो slip हो गया ऐसे और river में गिर गया. When it got up, the bags, sack felt very light. उसको ये बड़े बड़े bags ना बहुत light लगे. Guess why the sack felt lighter? वो क्यों ऐसे लाइट वेट में लाइट क्यों लगे उसको? द डोंकी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. दिस ऑल्सो गेव इट एन आइडिया, और उसको एक आइडिया भी सूझा. नेक्स्ट डे वाइल क्रॉसिंग द रिवर द क्लेवर डोंकी डिसाइडेड टू टेक अ डिप. तो क्लेवर डोंकी ने क्या बोला, चलो एक डुबकी लगा ही लेता हूँ. दिस टाइम संदेश अंडरस्टूड द डोंकीज ट्रिक. अब वो उसकी ट्रिक समझ गया. हाँ, लेट मी टीच इट अ लेसन. बोले उसको अभी अब मुझे लेसन लगा सिखाना है. नेक्स्ट डे संदेश put sacks of woolen cloth in the place of the salt. Now, what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river and why? See, here is one question. Guess why the bags felt lighter. ये जो बड़े बड़े बैग्स थे पानी में डिप करने के बाद वो लाइट क्यों हुए? Because of the reason is that the salt is soluble in a water. वो पानी में डिजॉल्व हो सकता है, मतलब घुल सकता है. While your mother is making lemonade, मतलब नींबू शरबत, बराबर. तो ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम शी एड सम शुगर एंड सॉल्ट इन अ वाटर फर्स्ट एंड देन डिजॉल्व इट. वो उसको ऐसे डिजॉल्व कर लेती है, पूरा वो गायब हो जाता है पानी के अंदर. फाइन. सो दैट्स वाई दिस बैग्स फेल्ट लाइटर, बिकॉज जब वो पानी में गिरा तब वो जो सॉल्ट था, कुछ सॉल्ट पानी में ऐसे डिजॉल्व हो गया एंड द बैग्स बिकेम लाइटर. सो नेक्स्ट डे उसने फिर से ट्रिक किया कि नहीं, मैं जानबूझ के गिरता हूँ तो मेरा वजन कम हो जाएगा. बट आफ्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिज ट्रिक, द डोंकीज ट्रिक, संदेश ने क्या किया, दे पुट द बैग्स ऑफ वुलन ऑन इट. वुलन मतलब ऊनी कपड़ों का बैग उन्होंने रख दिया. अब कपड़ों में क्या होता है, व्हेन इट गोज द वुलन्स आर नॉट डिजॉल्व इन वाटर, वो पानी में डिजॉल्व नहीं होता है, ऊपर से वो क्या हो जाता है, पानी में जाता है तो हैवी हो जाता है. If you want to try that things, then do it. Take a cloth and dip in a water and find out the weight before and after. You will get an idea easily. So next question is, now what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river and why? जब उसने dip किया तो क्या हुआ? The bags become heavier, and because the woolen is not soluble in a water, and after dipping it in a water it raised the weight and it becomes heavy. वो उतना weight बढ़ा लेता है और heavy हो जाता है. Right? So from the story we have learned about the heaviness and the lightness of the object, right? What is heavy and what is light. Move to the next page where you will find out Raju wants to ride a seesaw. Raju को seesaw पे ride करना है. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. उसको एक मतलब we need a two partner to ride on a seesaw. Fine. तो Rani comes to help Raju, but still Raju cannot ride it. लेकिन वो फिर भी ride नहीं कर पा रहा है. क्यों? Because she is lighter in a weight than Raju. Or we can say that Raju is heavier in terms of the weight to the Rani. Raju Rani से heavy था और इसलिए वो ऊपर नीचे ही बैठा रहा, वो ऊपर नहीं आ रहा था. और रानी वेट में कैसे थी, एकदम लाइट, तो इसलिए वो ऊपर के ऊपर ही है. Can you tell why? Circle the correct answer. Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani. So Raju is heavier. That's the correct answer. So here you have to circle this. Raju is heavier. Now Salma comes to help them. Salma will come to help them. Look at the picture. Salma is sitting here. Can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? वो ऐसे क्यों हो गया? Because Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani and Salma together? Because now the Raju is became lighter than Rani and Salma together. ये दोनों का वेट मिला के और इसका वेट, दोनों का वेट मिला के जो भी होता है वो राजू के वेट से ज़्यादा होता है. So Raju becomes lighter now. Now next I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. we all are enjoying the rides. तो उसने क्या बोला कि चलो मुझे एक आइडिया आया, मैं अपना बैग ऐसे यहाँ पे रख देता हूँ and we will enjoy the rides. Okay. Now we'll move on to the workbook where you will find out the exercise 1. Put tick for the heavier object and cross for the lighter object in the given box. Okay, so here one example has already done. In the second number example, can you find out the needle and a sword? So sword is a heavier and needle is a lighter. For the lighter object you have to do the cross, and for the heavier object you have to do the tick. Next is a bag and a compass box. Compass box is a lighter than the bag. This is a seasoned ball and this is a simple ball, right? So this one is a lighter and this one is a heavier. ये वाला बॉल क्रिकेट मैच में यूज होता है और ये वाला सिंपल सा बॉल हम घर में खेलने के लिए यूज करते हैं. So this ball is a as compared to this ball is a lighter. Next, a coat and a shirt. Coat is a heavier and shirt is a lighter. Orange and a watermelon. Watermelon is a heavier and orange is a lighter object. Next, a takya and a mat. A pillow and a mat. This one is the heavier and this one is a lighter. Compared to button and a tire. Button is a lighter object, whereas the tire is a heavier object. Next, a laptop and a mobile phone. Mobile phone is a lighter object and this is a heavier object. There is a glass, empty glass, and a water bottle filled with the water. This would be heavier and this would be lighter. Why we are using the term heavier and lighter object? Because here we are comparing the two objects, only two objects. That's why we are using the term heavier and lighter. Turn the next page, page number 30, where you will find out another exercise. Put tick for the heaviest object and cross for the lightest object into the given box. Now, we will move on to this next exercise. Before that, I really want to discuss why do we need to learn about the weight. अभी वेट के बारे में क्यों पढ़ना पड़ता है, क्यों ज़रूरी है वो वेट के बारे में पढ़ना कि ये चीज़ हैवियर है, लाइटर है, हैवीएस्ट है कि लाइटेस्ट है. why do we need to learn this? Because these are the things which we are used in our day to day life. For example, आपकी मम्मी जा रही है सब्ज़ी खरीदने, right? तो सब्ज़ी खरीदने जा रही है तो what they use the term kilograms and grams, and these are the terms used for the weight, right? और वहाँ पे वो तोल करवाती है. For that, the measurement of the object, we are using different kind of tools, right? Your mother has been weighed something using this and this tools, most probably, right? तो यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं, सब्जी के वेट के हिसाब से हम पैसे देते हैं. So it will help you in our daily life. So if we are using this kind of balance, so we need to know these things are heavier, these things are lighter. So balance हो जाएगा, मतलब दोनों का weight same similar हो जाएगा. During that time we will get the exact weight on the given price. So ये सारी चीज़ें हमारी daily life में use होती है. Then afterward, we can also find out this kind of weights machine in hospitals. हम बड़े होंगे तो ऐसे वाले weight machine, छोटे बच्चों के लिए ऐसे वाले weight machine जिसमें उनको पूरा सुला देते हैं. Then we are using weighing machine at the different kind of store like jewelers. राइट। तो जूलर्स के यहाँ पे हमें ऐसे वाले मशीन देखने को मिलेंगे, ऐसे वाले मशीन देखने को मिलेंगे. देन आफ्टरवर्ड वी विल गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ लगेज वेटनिंग मशीन, राइट. So this machine we are most probably use when we are going in abroad, right. हम जब बाहर जाते हैं, फॉरेन कंट्रीज में जाते हैं, तब हमें वेट करना पड़ता है अपने लगेज का. आई थिंक ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग दिस. Nowadays we will get the electronic weighing machines very easily. So we frequently use this kind of machines. Even on the vegetable vendor and at the grocery store you will find out this kind of weighing machine. Then afterward we will move to our exercise 2. One example has already done, so we will move on to the second number example. Here is a page, book and a scissor. Book is the heaviest and the page is the lightest object. Next is a log of wood, helmet and a feather. Feather is the lightest object and the log of the wood is the heaviest object. Next is a stone, big stone, bouquet of flower and a matchstick. So this one is the heaviest object and this one is the lightest object. Next, glass of water, bottle of water and jug of water. Jug of water is the heaviest object and glass of water is the lightest object among this. So this is it for this session. Next time we will do more exercise from the textbook as well as from the workbook. Till that you have to stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.